Guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the Spike Volleyball, no jailbreaker computer needed, so let's get right into the video. So first things first, guys, we need to go to this website called Hex Mods, and then go to find the Spike Volleyball, press on it, press the download button, and we're going to be all set. So be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane. And if you go to the search bar and type in the Spike Volleyball, you'll see it is quite expensive. So let me just type it in right here, the Spike. Here it is, and when we go to in-app purchases, you can see it is quite expensive. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out. It's super insane. And yeah, all you got to do is go to this Hex Mods website. So be sure to try it out. It's super awesome. So yeah, this is crazy, bro. I mean, you get so rich from this, it's wilding. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it and found a good time with it, because it is updated and all that. So I have looked into some other different methods, to be totally honest with you, but this was the only method I could find that was like updated and everything like that. So super cool, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane and it totally works, guys. So be sure to get the word out just so like more people are educated, because I feel like right now there isn't a big crowd around this game's modding scene, which there kind of needs to be. So be sure to get the word out so we can educate future people about this, because this website has lots of apps and games, to be totally honest with you. So I'm going to see you guys later. Subscribe and peace out, baby.